Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your author name on your WordPress website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you started writing articles on your WordPress website. So for example, if I go to my website here, catstunt.com, you'll see that the article is by John. And so if I want to go ahead and change that name, the first thing that you want to do is log onto your WordPress website. Go ahead and click on users on the left hand side, and then you're going to see the username here. So click on edit. Now, once you do so, you're going to scroll down and you can see that the nickname here is my email, which is currently blurred out, but the display name publicly is John. And this is where you can toggle between all the different names that you have. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your author name on your WordPress website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.